Thank you.
How did you keep like that young looking?
Wow, talagang
How did you
ganda.
maintain that?
Maintain. Well, parang ang hirap naman sagutin, no? No, to be honest, wala naman talaga kasi akong... Wait, sorry. Lower down. Wala naman akong secret or whatsoever. You know, first off, of course, si God naman talaga yung nakakapagpabata sa atin, di ba? So, number two, well, I just try my best not to choose my battles. You know? Kumbaga, sure kayo dito natin gagawin to? Parang maingat. Okay lang. Kumbaga, I try to choose my battles, but of course, there are times na as a mom, you cannot really, kumbaga, hindi ka makakapili. You know, when you just get so stressed and parang ang daming nangyayari all at the same time. So, sa tingin ko, masasabi ko si God lang talaga. Wala nang iba, siya lang talaga ang sagot.
Do you have like your daily regimen? Any diets of sort?
Nung buntis ako, tinatry ko pero wala eh, hindi kaya. So ngayon ako bumabawi. Tinatry kong yun, maging active ulit. Lahat ng pwedeng activity na pwedeng magawa and kaya naman sa schedule, I try to do that. Tapos to lessen yung mga carbs or sweets, ganyan. So nililesen ko lang din and eat healthy.
Oh, you mentioned earlier that you also have joined him a couple of times biking.
Yes.
Is that like something that you do on a regular basis?
Yeah, we do that not regularly, but like I said, when I have time. But si Oyo, regular niya ginagawa yun. So, whenever he bikes, sasama ako. Pag punta siya ng trails, sasama ako. Kasi hindi din naman ako papayagan pag nag-trails ako mag-isa. Kasi it's not safe also. So, yun. But, like yung mga high-intensity workout, I do that at home. I can do that at home kasi and then we go to the gym. We go to Gold's Gym. So, weightlifting, we do that also. Lahat ng pwedeng gawin.
And